Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of my application that is an AI chatbot. So this is essentially a multi-purpose chatbot, but I have fine-tuned it to become an admission interviewer for an engineering college. Without any further delay, let's get started. I have installed all the dependencies and I have downloaded the Git directory folder. Now I would just start the virtual environment. Okay, it started that for me, and now I would type python app.py. Now I would click on this and it will open in my browser. Now I would type username for me. The username must be unique. So I would type Kaivan and I would type my password. I will click register. Now I would type my username again. Oh my bad. I would type my password and now I will click login. Now I will click the start interview button to start my interview. Initially it may take some time as the prompt to initiate the conversation is pretty long to keep the conversation accurate. Now it is worth noting that my system is a middle and
Hello,
machine, so
welcome
it
to the
also took a
XYZ
bit more
College
time because of
admission
that.
interview. Are you ready to begin? Please be aware that this conversation, including your audio and all data you provide, will be securely recorded and stored on XYZ College's servers for admission processing.
Yes, I am ready for the interview.
Great. Let's start with your full name. Could you please state your full name?
Let's see. My full name is Kaivan Mehta. So as you can see, it sometimes takes a bit long because of the load on the processor and also screen recording
Thank
is
you,
going on.
Kevin Mehta. Now, could you please provide your phone number?
98765 12340.
Thank you, Kevin. Let's move on to your G percentile. Could you please state your G percentile score?
It was 79 percentile.
Excellent. And finally, could you please tell me your 12th HSC percentage?
My 12th HSC percentage was 79%.
Thank you, Kevin. That's all the information we need for now. Thank you for completing your admission interview, Kevin Mehta. To finalize your submission, please press
So
the
I would do
Save
what it
and
has asked
Exit
me to do.
button. The college management will review your details and contact you with further
Now
information
I will
very
click the
soon.
logout button to log out of my account. Now, as you can see here in the logs, it is summarizing the data. Now the summarizing the data will take a time because it makes a lot of API calls to the AI agent. See, so the conversation history was stored. Now in any case, if I want to edit my data, I would just enter my username and password here and press login. Now I can click the start interview button and ask it to edit my information. For instance, I want to say that my HSC percentile was 85 instead of 79. Sorry, HSC percentage. So I would just click the start interview button. Now it will take some time again. Please bear with me. Okay, that's taking a bit longer than usual. I would just check the logs. Okay, it's here. So I wanted to change my HSC percentage. That was weird. That was not supposed to happen. Probably some internet issue here because of the rain. Okay, that's an issue because of the rain. I'm sorry for that, but I promise you that this feature works. Now I would just close the server. Yeah, see, there was an error with the Google server. Now I would just type clear here. Now the your conversation that will be saved with your username and along with processed at its end to show that it was processed and all the audio files are there. Now if I show you some parts of it,
Hello.
so
Welcome. Could you please state your full name?
that's, my full name is Kaivan Mehta. So it is like this. It will store all the conversations with all the users with a unique name, and this on the left side of the name is a timestamp. Now, if I were to check the database for the details, now I would start the database and I will just enter the command to do it. We can see, so this information does not make sense. That's because we have encrypted the data. Now I would just quit the database software and I would run the script, that is decrypt and display.py. So I would type python decrypt and display.py. Now it gives me all the information. So here you can see the HSC marks is also 79% because it was not updated due to an error with the server. Uh, that's an issue of my internet, and due to the rain there is poor internet connection here. I cannot do anything about that. I'm really sorry on that. So this was my software. Thank you.